Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore incredible small business machines that can help you kickstart your business and make money. These tools are designed to boost productivity, save time, and unlock new opportunities. From printing, packaging, nailing, and bending to vertical farming, these machines open up endless possibilities for small business owners and entrepreneurs. Whether you're just starting out or planning to launch a full-scale factory, there's something here for you. Let's get started. Digital textile printing machine. Designed for speed, precision, and creativity, this advanced fabric printer brings designs to life directly onto textiles without the need for any transfer medium. It uses sublimation ink and features a flatbed inkjet setup with a generous 1,900mm printing width, allowing continuous, high-efficiency printing across a wide range of fabrics such as cotton, silk, polyester, and blends. The semi-automatic system supports vibrant multicolor printing for everything from t-shirts and bedsheets to tablecloths, pillow covers, curtains, and more. What sets it apart is the ability to print directly onto the fabric surface, producing sharp, durable, and color-rich results with excellent wash resistance. Its versatility makes it a go-to solution for custom fashion brands, textile decorators, and home furnishing businesses that need quick turnaround and high flexibility. Whether you're offering personalized products or bulk orders, this machine combines quality and convenience to meet modern textile printing demands. Caramel popcorn production line. Built for industrial-scale snack production, this high-output system delivers 30 to 40 kilograms of popcorn per hour, making it ideal for commercial popcorn manufacturers and gourmet snack producers. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it's designed to handle rigorous use while maintaining hygiene and ease of cleaning. The machine integrates multiple stages, including popping, sifting, coating, melting, cooling, and separating, streamlining the entire production flow from raw kernels to ready-to-pack popcorn. It works with corn kernels, sugar, cheese, butter, palm oil, and a variety of flavor additives to produce caramelized and savory popcorn in bulk. Thanks to its hot air popping system, it ensures even heat distribution, reducing oil usage while maximizing flavor coating efficiency. Whether you're making classic buttered popcorn or unique gourmet blends, this machine offers consistent quality and high productivity. Priced around $9,000, it's a strong investment for food factories, snack startups, and export-based popcorn brands. Liquid detergent packing machine. This is a multifunctional, automatic machine designed specifically for efficient and hygienic packaging of liquid-based products such as shampoo, liquid soap, and washing detergent. Built to handle spout bags, stand-up pouches, pillow bags, and other flexible packaging types, this machine ensures precision in filling, sealing, labeling, and wrapping, making it ideal for businesses in the household, personal care, and chemical commodity sectors. With compatibility for materials like PE, laminated film, and paper bags, it offers flexibility for various branding and durability needs. The machine operates at a speed of 20 to 40 bags per minute, which allows small to mid-scale manufacturers to maintain high output without compromising quality. It's a fully automatic grade simplifier that reduces labor dependency. From food-related items to hardware fluids, this Doypack packaging system is designed for a range of industries needing consistent, leak-proof, and attractive packaging. Machine pricing starts at $7,000 and can go up to $12,000 depending on specifications and production needs. Automatic egg tray production line. Perfect for eco-conscious manufacturers, this setup transforms recycled waste paper into high-quality egg trays, cartons, and industrial packaging using an efficient pulp molding process. Unlike fully automatic lines, this semi-automatic system includes a pulp making and forming section, but relies on manual transfer and sun drying for the wet trays, making it ideal for regions with abundant sunlight and low-cost labor. With a capacity ranging from 1,000 to 12,000 trays per hour, it offers scalable output depending on your production needs. It's widely used not only for egg packaging but also for electronics, wine, footwear, and tool trays, thanks to its ability to mold deep, durable shapes. This machine represents a breakthrough in pulp molding with its multifunction forming system, capable of handling complex tray designs with higher efficiency than older reciprocating models. Shrink sleeve label roller machine. Engineered for speed and versatility, this fully automatic labeling system is designed to apply adhesive shrink sleeve labels with high precision around round bottles. Ideal for pet, plastic, glass, and metal containers, it ensures professional, 360-degree label application suitable for industries such as beverages, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and household goods. Operating at a speed of 30 to 150 bottles per minute, the machine uses a conveyor belt to guide bottles toward the label applicator, where a sponge plate and vertical rolling mechanism help evenly wrap the label around the surface. This ensures firm adhesion and a wrinkle-free finish. Whether you're labeling water bottles, energy drinks, or personal care items, the system supports a wide range of bottle types and label sizes. Price ranges from $1,200 to $2,500, making it an affordable automation upgrade. Recycling Granules Making Machine. Designed to convert plastic waste into usable raw material, this high-efficiency system transforms various types of discarded plastic into clean, uniform granules ready for reuse in manufacturing. It handles a wide range of inputs, such as soft films or fiber cloth, making it highly versatile for different recycling needs. The system includes multiple integrated components like a compactor, screw extruder, dual-zone vacuum degassing, pelletizer, and a water cooling line, all working in sync to ensure smooth processing from start to finish. Granules are formed using methods such as watering or underwater pelletizing, depending on the desired output. With production capacities ranging from 150 kilograms to 1,200 kilograms per hour, it's suitable for both mid-size recyclers and industrial-scale operations. Depending on specifications, prices typically range between $10,000 and $40,000, offering a sustainable and profitable way to close the plastic loop. Wooden Pallet Nailing Machine. This machine simplifies the labor-intensive task of assembling wooden pallets by automating the nailing process with speed and accuracy. It's designed to handle pre-cut wooden planks and slats, positioning and fastening them into sturdy pallet frames using synchronized nail guns and programmable patterns. Ensuring that each nail is driven with uniform pressure and spacing eliminates the inconsistencies of manual work and improves the structural integrity of the final product. Operators can adjust nail placements and configurations based on pallet design, allowing for customization across different shipping and storage applications. Whether it's for heavy goods transport or warehouse stacking, this nailing system helps businesses maintain consistent build quality while reducing fatigue and errors associated with hand tools. Cup Filling and Sealing Machine. Ideal for modern beverage and food packaging, this machine automates the process of filling and sealing various container types like cups, trays, bowls, and small boxes. It handles both liquid and semi-liquid products, such as milk, juice, oil, or even powder-based mixes, with precision and hygiene, thanks to its food-grade construction and compliance with ISO and CE standards. The system is highly adaptable, with customizable molds to fit containers of different shapes and sizes. Users can also add optional features like automatic cup feeding, UV sterilization, lid placement, date printing, and heated hoppers for viscous products. This versatility allows it to serve industries ranging from dairy and juice packaging to ready-to-eat meals and condiments. Its clean, compact design makes it suitable for both standalone use and integration into larger automated lines. With pricing between $10,000 and $20,000, it offers a reliable and scalable packaging solution for businesses aiming for consistency, speed, and product safety. Ceramic Tile Printing Machine. This innovative machine is revolutionizing the way decorative ceramic tiles are made, offering full customization with a luxurious, high-definition finish. At the heart of the process is 3D digital printing technology that brings intricate designs to life, first by printing vibrant, photorealistic images directly onto a layer of microcrystal glass. This layer isn't just for show, it's the first step in crafting a tile that's both artistic and durable. Next, the printed microcrystal glass is seamlessly combined with a full-body ceramic tile, and the two are fused using a specialized forming machine. This fusion not only locks in the design but adds depth and brilliance to the tile. The final touch is a precision grinding process that smooths and polishes the edges, ensuring a premium feel and flawless finish. Whether it's for a luxury living room, a hotel lobby, or a high-end retail space, this machine transforms tiles into stunning visual centerpieces. Now, a complete set of 3D microcrystal glass ceramic tiles is ready, beautiful, durable, and tailor-made for modern interiors. Woodworking Edge Bander Machine. Essential in modern plywood and furniture manufacturing, this fully automatic machine delivers clean, precise edge finishing by applying a decorative strip along the raw edges of wooden panels. Whether working with plywood, high-gloss board, acrylic board, or PVC edge banding, the machine ensures seamless bonding to enhance both durability and appearance. It automates multiple steps, including gluing, trimming, scraping, and buffing, into a smooth, continuous process that eliminates manual inconsistencies. This is especially valuable for cabinet makers, interior contractors, and modular furniture producers seeking high-quality edges that look professional and resist wear. By improving speed, accuracy, and aesthetics, this edge bander transforms raw boards into finished panels ready for assembly or sale. With prices ranging from $5,700 to $6,500, it offers strong value for woodworking businesses focused on productivity and craftsmanship. Container vertical farming system. As the global demand for fresh, pesticide-free produce grows, container vertical farming offers an advanced solution for year-round, space-efficient cultivation. This system integrates hydroponics, LED grow lighting, climate control, irrigation, and smart automation into a modular shipping container that can be deployed in both urban and rural locations. With features like touchscreen control, Wi-Fi connectivity, and real-time visual growth data tracking, it allows users to monitor and manage plant health remotely. Full-spectrum red and blue LED lighting optimizes photosynthesis, while hydroponics ensures consistent nutrient delivery for faster, more nutritious crop growth. Designed for commercial use, this container farm is ideal for producing high-value crops such as lettuce, strawberries, mushrooms, garlic, hemp, tomatoes, and microgreens, especially in areas with limited arable land or harsh climates. It's a smart, future-ready investment for agri-entrepreneurs, food tech startups, and greenhouse operators. Starting price, $20,000 to $30,000 plus, depending on size and automation level. If you found inspiration today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful business ideas every week. Have a favorite machine from the list? Tell us in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video with more ways to build, create, and grow.